I then took 13 million rand and I gave to SAFA. And I can tell you now, that's where I can't do more as the minister. I wrote SAFA a letter where I said they should return my money. And SAFA asked for 21 days grace. I am just as angry. Because what more can I do? I asked them in a letter, bring back my money, the money of the state. Because I am responsible for it. They said they will act within 20. Because there was, for me, there was no action. We were supposed to have had VAR. So people shouldn't look at me. I'm the minister that put it on the table that VAR should be there. I did everything humanly possible. If now I'm writing to FIFA, I've already spoken to FIFA, but I'm writing to them. They wanted in writing that I must go another way to get VAR.
Inkinga ke yethu thina ama South Africans uma wake wakhuluma into engahambisani nathi ayisophindi ibe khona into yokhulunywa uwena esile esiyoyilalela. Le nto ibifuna ukufakelwa izibuko ke le ibifuna ukungayekwa. Uphu 13 million ka minister ufunayo we department yakhe we VAR ngoba uMckenzie kade weyikhuluma indaba eVAR ene confidence ezwakala ukuthi into ezamaduze. Usegonyulukileke manje kwacacisa ngokusobala ukuthi ukhipha u13 million weVAR iphi imali bafethu. Abantu baloko bebhizi behlekisa ngokuthi uthe bring back my money. Yes yakhe imali e department yakhe uyena kumele account masakwenziwa ama audits iphi imali. And lento yenzeka kambi uSAFA usanda ukuthi imali ebafana eyama million yokuqualify ku World Cup uzoyi reinvest. Abantu abathatha u13 million weVAR khona imali abazoyi reinvest abafethu. No. Le ayifuni ukuyekwa. Uphu 13 million waka sports. Awubuye bafethu, awubuye ngeke. Sikhathele igebengu. Asina VAR South Africa League yesibukeleka phansi nje khona imali ezo 13 million ezilahlile. Kunama ground anje ngo Princess Magogo kuyodlala iChaze Princess Magogo nje. Ine grandstand eyodwa. Leyo mali leyo ngabe ilungisa ama ground, abe nama grandstand ama ground. Iphi imali? Hayi ngeke bafethu ngeke.
Ngiyazi lento le ngeke sivumelane nayo but futhi hayi ngoba ngifuna sivumelane. I just want to put out my thoughts out there. Yabo bafana ake ngithi isizwe sase South Africa besimdeserve ucoach ufana noHugo Broos. Angisho ukuthi he was doing an excellent job but futhi ngeke siphike the great things he's done, ne? But siyamdeserve thina umuntu who's a no nonsense taker. Umuntu othi ningiqashile ngizodlalisa umuntu engimfunayo ayifakela uyaya wakhe beno Foster and kungabi indaba zalutho. Yabo manje lesi sixavathi lesi simemeza on the top of his lungs. Ngifuna uPitso washo kubuya kwiWorld Cup. I want Pitso. Nakhona airport ungamemeza leyo nto. Usile kahle ekhanda umphathi uomnyango thize you are screaming that akakasho uHugo Broos ukuthi uya resign or what. That is unprofessional behavior number 1. Okay, uPitso is perfect for the job and nami ngiyamfuna uPitso kodwa futhi kunalento yokuthi bafuna ukuzomcontrola. Yabo nje ukufika kwakhe bafuna ukumphatha. Yabo it's the same thing ama comrades ayenzayo la kuma council kuphushwe nje umuntu asiphushe nobani bazokuphusha bakuphushe ube yilona ikhansela musu ube ikhansela nokuthi ke manje unake idingo zabantu umphakathi sefune unake bona ngoba phela yithina esakufaka. Hayi yabo nje yabona uPitso I mental health yakhe uzoyibona iyehla ngendlela eyisimanga. And asikakabi nayisho noma uzophuma yini vele uDanny Jordan. Asitshelwanga ngamzukwane ekhipha imali eminyangweni imali engaka from a department eyisakasafa ukuthi okay kuyisabelo zezimali usitshela manje ngoba bengasayenzi intando yakhe ukuthi bathenge leyo VAR. Was the money for VAR noma he was bribing his way through? Asazi ngoba izinto esihlezi sizizwa la komadlanga ziyashaqisa. Bafuna uPitso. uPitso uzohamba yena ngoba Hey, la sidinga thina uHugo Bruce, umuntu ongenandaba nokuthi ntsini. Athi angidlalisa iKaizer, angifuni futhi nje abuye azontshela la ephongweni aqhubeka ethibini yakhe. Thina ilo umuntu esimdeservayo ngoba izwe lethu alikakalungi izwe lethu. Yabona nje if we go back many years uClive Barker uyena coach owaqualifyisa iBafana for iWorld Cup. Mase kuyiwa useshwa ngemuva sekulandwa lo liyahlanya la coach olasilandela ubani lo mfana owaye ubani Phiri Isa noma lo wayekora ama own goal. Hey guys, no, asikakalungi. Abantu abangakalungi yithi. Ingakho sidinga vele isandla seJalimani into ezosibamba ngqi. Sithi noma sithi hawa akafaka ubani avela afaka uyaya. Ngoba uyena ucoach wenza into ayithandayo ninqashile nje. Yabo nje uPitso, he's gonna come. They wanna control him. Take who? Take this person in. But into ebhlungu is that siyamfuna. But also we know umzima azobhekana nabo. Futhi nina abantu base South Africa niyajikelana. Mase nifona okhosini. Ha. Usungakabaza abantu base South Africa mase befona okhosini bezothi akahambe uyabheda. Nina niyajikelana. And nina nani uPitso nizomjikela. Ngoba uPitso bazomcontroller afake labantu nani futhi eningafuni badlaliswe laba abafuna uyibona seniyathetha ke uPitso useyabheda. Uzoyimoshela iCV yakhe nje uPitso la eSouth Africa. Angifuthi uqamba amanga lelizwe nje into yokuthi icoach wayibona uHugo Bruce abantu abasigivayo kungabi indaba zalutho. Hayi.
We expected Coach Pitso Mosimane was going to be the coach of iBafana Bafana, but Chiki Coach Molifenzeki has become the interim coach of iBafana Bafana. And the crazy thing is, we were all speculating what it's because of Coach Bafana umpatala kahle and all that. Can't you know? That's not the case. Apparently, according to reports, Coach has been paid very well, and he's helping alimala bamnika yona. Even also in the camp yakhe, he's also helping alimala bayitholayo. But also, there are 3 things that are an issue for Coach Pitso Mosimane for him to sign off the deal there. Number 1, ama image rights. So Isafa wants to use ama image rights waka Pitso Mosimane to use his likeness, his images, ama signatures and all that for commercial success of Isafa, right? So Coach utayifunda into leyo. Number 2, it's the podcast anayo. We all know Coach Pitso Mosimane has a podcast, and apparently Safa ifuna ukuzwa izwana lento leyo ukuthi coach abe ne podcast ayisebenzisana nawe. Apparently it doesn't fit their image, right? And they don't want that. Number 3, we all know Coach Pitso Mosimane has an academy, right? A football academy whereby he develops players, youth players to be exact. And Isafa apparently doesn't want that. They want to coach wabo angabi ne football club player. They don't want to coach wabo abe ne football club player. But for me, at the same time, I'm asking myself, ukuthi nina nimsukele umuntu lona ayakuye laphayana. You asked him to be the coach, knowing very well ukuthi this guy has this amount of standard. Chances are we're not gonna get his image rights. Number 2, you know very well ukuthi this guy has a newly formed podcast, and you know very well, you went to him knowing very well ukuthi coach une podcast, yet you still approached him. Why ningamjampang? You know ukuthi une football academy, yet you still went to him. Why ningamjampang? And you know you don't fit our criteria. Just because you are being called by a national team to be the coach doesn't necessarily mean ukuthi you have to bend over backwards for them. I mean, come on. You work your way around it. If you find ukuthi, for example, you're not comfortable with it, then deal with it. All you know is coach is gonna give you the job. Results at all. He's gonna give you results very, very well foot. We know Coach Pitso Mosimane.
Hayi bakwethu nithi vele ke cause bekunama hem ukuthi uPitso turn it down deal yeSAFA because of money, but on the last video thola lesinye story less different from that. So angati, if ever you guys think this is the real reason, or are you guys still thinking ukuthi indaba yemali? So please leave a comment below and tell me what you think. See you on the next one. Danko.